This is Allie. She's gonna try and get on my shed roof.
Shit. Whoops. Oh, it's too icy. Taylor, help me. Ah! All right, ready? 1, 2. My pants, I'm freezing. Whoa, Taylor, that's looking fun.
She did it!
Don't shut it off. Oh, my butt's cold. You can tell, right? Now I think I'm gonna slide down and kill myself.
Do you want the sled?
Yeah, all right. I'm gonna shoot myself. Ah! Whoop.
Make
Is
sure.
there a door?
Slide that way.
Oh.
More over there. Right there.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? Oh, I'm scared.
Do it.
Ah! Ah!
Do it. Go.
Ow! Ow! Ah!
Do you want some snow pants
I have
now?
frostbite on my legs.
Do you want some snow pants now?
No, that was fun. Let's do it again.
Seriously? Do you want some snow pants though?
Mm-mm.
Alright.
Might as well get these wetter.
Do you want a coat?
Shush. No. Ow. Ow.
This is the second time in history Allie has ever gone on.
Ouch! Ow! Did you catch that? Ouch! Ah! 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 Slivers up my bum. Ah! Taylor, don't do that! Help me up! Ah! Help me! Ow! Ow! This is really starting to hurt. Ow! 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 Taylor, just don't worry about the camera! Ow! 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 Ah, there's nails! Oh, Taylor! No, not the nails! No, I mean, lift me. Ah, push! Ouch! How do I get down? Okay, watch out, watch out. I'm gonna catch me. Ouch! You okay? I never like a mother. Oh. Oh, I think I got a slipper. Now you go try.
I don't think so.
Ow, I broke your door.
Okay.
Ow. Okay, let's stop the video.
Aww.
Ow.
Bye bye.